Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda and we are here with a delicious recipe on how to make healthy pancakes with oatmeal and banana. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and comment if you have any suggestions or any questions for me. Let's get right on into the video. All you'll be needing for this pancakes would be some bananas, old-fashioned oats, your blender, some eggs, whole milk, Daddy, and your frying pan with your margarine for glazing your pan. That's it. Hi guys, so this is it. I usually like to add a little bit of peanut butter on my pancakes. Feel free to add whatever it is you want to add. You can add butter, you can add jam, you can add peanut butter, you can even do it plain. It still tastes good. So and a little bit of syrup as well to sweeten it. You can use milk, almond milk, whatever kind of drink you would like to eat this for breakfast. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Please feel free to watch other videos that would be somewhere on the screen. You can just watch it. Support my channel, okay? Thank you guys. Bye.